Tower, runway 22, cleared for takeoff, southwest departure.
22 clear for takeoff, southwest departure, 1 mic off.
Tower 5035,
right.
Appreciate all the help with all the stuff going on here.
Air 503 Papa Roger, thanks for your patience.
People are so nice here. I was telling them,
this isn't normal.
No, wait till you get to my airport. Just.
Oh, I've been there.
Yeah, pay attention to the radio calls and.
I remember that lady yelling at us coming out heading to Jacksonville at one time.
Yep. All right, airspeed's alive. I'm gonna keep count of that vibration. I'll gain some more speed before we get out of here. Oh, heavy today. Give it nice and smooth. Nice updraft there. I believe this is the 85, right?
What, the highway?
Yeah.
Yep.
Because I know the 85 goes all the way. So it's literally my reference if I get lost.
Yep.
I know if I follow that highway, it takes me all the way
dude.
home.
Well, yeah, it's 77 that does that, right?
Huh?
Is it 77 or 80? Oh, you're right. You're right.
What, speed?
No, the interstate.
Oh.
Actually, Sam, you might be right. But I think 85 runs through Lexington.
Oh, yeah.
That is, Route 40.
Yeah, see, I feel like if we go up to 45, we're maybe right under those clouds. How high do you think the clouds are right now?
I don't see any clouds.
I do.
It's, what was that? It was view at 3,800?
Well, I was going to climb it, so I was going to climb at 3,500.
Yeah.
But with this heat.
You're probably good.
Because the ADA said it was scattered at 48. Yeah, 48, you were right. So I want to be at least 500 below, obviously. Departure, good afternoon, November 661, mic off.
November 661, mic off, Greensboro.
So mic off, flight to request flight following to Lima Zulu uniform, just 10 miles west of Winston-Salem Airport. At 4,500.
And what is your aircraft type request altitude, please?
Type aircraft Sierra Lima Golf 4, altitude 4,500, 1 mic off.
661 mic off, squawk 5111.
5111, 1 mic off.
Look at minus 60, 72.
I don't know if you see what I was telling you. Whenever we flew in Max plane,
northwestbound, a regional inbound.
I remember like when you were at this point, you were already burning 8 gallons or so per hour.
Yeah, it was 8.5.
I don't know if this airplane is programmed differently or something, but I've never almost, even if I put it to, if I go all the way to 80%, I'll probably be burning 8 at that point. So
yeah, I mean, I usually run at about 82%.
Radar contact. You're just over the Twin Lakes Airport, say altitude.
4,500, 1 mic off.
661 mic off, Roger. Contact Atlanta Center 125.15. See ya.
12515, 1 mic off.
Yeah, you're pretty proficient on those radios.
Oh, thanks. Center, good afternoon. 661 mic off. It's with you, 4,500. You're good back there, Sam?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm real good.
You got vents?
Yeah,
I think
it
there's
comes out a little bit.
Okay. I think there's one, like, maybe it's in Max plane and not this plane.
Oh,
because I know at Max plane he has some in the back.
Yeah, you have vents back here.
And departure 88 Romeo Charlie is with you on a 3,400 for 6,000 and a right turn direct Bobcat.
We're still crossing the Charlotte Bravo. I believe this is Charlotte. And we're almost off of the edge here. Fortunately, we got a little bit of tailwind, so we're cruising along at 122 indicated, 127 on the ground, and we're burning 7.7 gallons per hour. not bad. Yeah, but I think we're moving much quicker along than. So we'll only have an hour, 10 minutes travel time left. See, sometimes even when you use flat following, see how quiet it is.
This is the first quiet moment we've got 50 minutes.
I know. We're gonna get more, don't worry. Today is Monday, right? Nobody's flying on Mondays.
Yeah, right.
So, who puked? You said somebody threw
Bourbon.
up. Who?
Bourbon.
Who?
Set that guy up.
So, was it like a demo flight or?
Yeah, it was a demo flight. Oh, it was a discovery.
Oh, discovery flight.
Yeah, it was a discovery flight, the NGT. And, oh yeah, we took him up, and he was doing real good. And it was,
Was it bumpy?
it wasn't really bumpy, but we had clouds a fair amount of the time. So you really don't have a horizon to look at.
Right.
And
It messes with your.
yeah, the student had a hard time. One, he kept talking to me and looking at the glass. And I'm like, look, I'm telling you, this is your first time up. You want to be looking outside. You want to be taking deep breaths. And man, I just saw him staring at the glass, trying to play with it, looking outside, flying. I'm like, Furman, man, it's going to end badly. I promise you. And,
Oh man.
all of a sudden, man, and we did some steep turns and a
Yeah,
stall.
that's probably.
Is that 25002 calling Charlotte, altimeter is 2999.
That probably added to it.
Yeah, and
I still get sick sometimes. I still get air sick if I do continuous like steep turns.
And we were just about we were turning to go back to Winston.
Oh man.
And I'm like, yeah, you know, Furman, we'll go ahead.
Let's make sure I got that.
I'll key up tower now.
250.
all I see is his hand go.
Monroe to 6MC.
I look over. He's like, I'm like, open your shirt now.
200-20052. All right,
Opens
thank
his
you.
shirt. I'm like, let me grab a bag.
Oh
Take
man.
the bag, give it to him. I'm like, and that's why I told you to tuck in your
20052,
shirt.
squawk 0356.
Yeah, he definitely got air sick. This is nothing to be, nothing to be ashamed of.
Not at all. Happens to everybody.
I think maybe for Discovery flight, just keep it. I remember my first, my Discovery flight.
20052 is radar contact about 2.5 miles northwest of the Monroe Airport. Verify you're at 3000, and I do have traffic at your 11 to 12 o'clock, and less than 3 miles. Appears to be same direction, altitude indicating the same as yours.
Yeah, the guy took me off and we flew around the Rose Bowl and the Hollywood sign, so it was nice to at least look at. And obviously we didn't have, this is one of the cool things about flying into LA Airways. It's dry and cold. I mean, it gets really hot during the summer, but...
Okay, that last one call, and give me the type of airplane and your...
You see how he keeps interrupting?
One more time.
I know. We can lower it. And then at some point he let me fly
8081 Lima. All
a little
right.
bit. But yeah, we didn't do steep turns.
8081 Lima, squawk 0363, and
I take it to as far as they'd like to go. Like if we do a little turn.
61 Mike Golf, contact rear approach 109.4. Good day.
109.4 for my Golf. Good day.
Just give me the finger.
8081 Lima's radar contact about 6 miles northwest of the Monroe Airport.
You said 119er?
2 miles. They said there was company 172,
no.
same altitude.
Hold on.
Playback.
Approach was that 119.4 for 1 my Golf.
Yeah, 661 Mike Golf, 119.4, rear approach 19.4.
119.4, 1 my Golf. Thanks. Approach good afternoon. 664 my Golf is with you.
November 661 Mike Golf, rear approach for altimeter 3000.
300, 1 my Golf. 10 minutes out from our destination. Been a fairly non-eventful flight, right? But yeah, we're at 4,500. We'll start our descent in another 5 to 7 minutes. And we should be in Atlanta and Lawrenceville pretty soon. Georgia is just so green, man. You look down, all you see is green. What's the time you usually have on the field change?
I think it's about 40 minutes.
Yeah, I switched mine to 30.
It does keep it a little more level.
Yeah.
Inbound approach, talk 228, level 8,000.
I love that NGT, man.
Being
Being able to fly like 3-4 hours, 2 or 3 lessons without filling up.
Believe it or not, if this airplane was certified,
Oh,
it would be the same because I remember 2 days ago, we had flown 5 hours total. And I put like, I thought I needed 30 gallons of fuel.
7,000, my discretion,
And
3,000.
I only pumped 20. So which means I flew about 4 gallons an hour. So in a training environment, this operates just like the NGT in terms of fuel burn.
Damn.
Because I only usually use about 25 to 28 on the manifold. At that, you're between 100 and 110 knots.
Right.
And you don't need to go
130
fast
knots
in a training environment. So, but yeah, the NGT is. Have you ever had Tower tell you, or have you ever used like southwest or southeast? I remember I was corrected one time. Oh, I should probably get down a little more. I was corrected. I was corrected when I just said like southwest or southeast.
You didn't give a distance? Or what? They were mad because you said southwest instead of south.
Yeah, but they replied and said I was south.
Oh, like you were southwest?
Yeah, I didn't even know that was a thing until then. I just thought it was, you know, southeast or southwest, whatever.
Those are some picky tower guys.
Here we're
Still alive back there, Sam?
Oh yeah, I'm good, man.
Alright. I'm serious, I would get sick of the back seat.
Yeah?
Yep. I'm looking forward to you guys having your pilot license, because then I can say I'm going to stay at home.
I'm looking forward to it too.
Or I'm going to get one of those wing walking kits and just sit out on the frickin' airplane.
There you go.
58 kilo, runway 25, you're clear to land.
Clear to land, 25, kilo.
Tower November 661 my golf.
661 Mike Golf, clear the tower.
61 my golf, about 9 miles to the northeast. Inbound with information Yankee at 2,600.
1 Mike Golf, continue, expect clearance at 5 miles, runway 25, altimeter 3001.
Roger, we expect clearance 5 miles out, 3001, 1 Mike Golf.
I see it now.
I'll be pissed if it's not busy today. I wanted y'all to hear some of the stuff I go through when I come home.
A3 Alpha Victor is left base 25.
A3 Alpha Victor, continue runway 25, clear to land number 2, following Archer traffic off your left front, 11 o'clock at about 2.5 miles. You are inside traffic now on a 6-mile final as well.
You continue number 2 for 25, looking for this Archer.
1 Mike Golf, you are looking for 3 Alpha Victor, what's your type aircraft?
It's a Baron 58.
Baron 58, roger that. 1 Mike Golf, you're looking for Baron traffic off your left front, 11 o'clock, 2.5 miles on the left base. You're number 3 for the runway.
Roger, number 3 for 25. We'll look out for that traffic. Oh my God. I have him on the radar.
2.5 straight in, but on the left base now, about to turn final.
83 Alpha Victor for no tramp, if you can take the last one.
Okay, no 83 Alpha Victor, continue down the runway and turn right at the end, taxi via Zulu, Juliet, and Tango to the ramp.
Continue and right, Juliet Tango Zulu to the ramp.
You know, one thing I've learned about
When
flying,
you clear the runway, yes, please. Traffic's on a 3-mile final behind you.
landing here is several times I've gotten like last minute instruction to either hurry and I either tell them nope, or I just ignore it. I just stay with my plan.
Gotcha.
Because I don't like that getting thrown off and doing something stupid last minute.
Right.
Because like right now, if they tell me, you know, hurry up or whatever, I'll say roger, but I'm still keeping to my speed. Because they can divert traffic. They don't need me to do all of that. Alright, we gotta get down.
I see why they don't like you now.
Yeah. Well, pain to go around, but let's see. I didn't realize I was at 2.
Have you slipped in this airplane yet?
We did a few times.
That one coming into Virginia was pretty good.
Slip, 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 slip.
500.
Thank you, I got it. I think we're good.
You get lonely in this airplane, don't you?
Huh?
You get lonely in this airplane. You talking to your fucking shit.
Listen, it makes me feel comfortable. And I talk to the camera. I think it's a habit I've had since I was a student.
14 Lima, runway 25, clear to land.
I remember whenever I did my cross country. Yeah, it was.
14 Lima, traffic will depart ahead of your arrival.
Roger.
It was quiet as hell in that cockpit. I needed to talk to myself.
Oh yeah, that's an eerie feeling.
Yeah.
Challenger, this is Gwinnett Tower. Go back to your last ascent frequency for the correct one, and have a safe flight.
Alright.
Gwinnett Tower, Seminole 24041 on Whiskey.
Oh, no, that was supposed to be nice.
Seminole 24041, Gwinnett Tower, hold short runway 25, traffic's on the runway.
Holding short runway 25, 24041.
1 Mike Golf, you back on the north side.
Affirmative to the north hangars. Oh my god.
1 Mike Golf, turn right when able, taxi right, much ground.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Gwinnett County Airport. Thanks for flying with us today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Please be sure to subscribe.
November 14 Lima, turn left when able, runway 25.
I will catch you all in the next video.